Back, everyone. Tax season is here. If you haven't already started gathering all your documents, now's the time to do it before it's too late.
This morning, Team 12's Jen Wall has the top insider tips from tax experts who want you to have the best experience possible while filing. The key word there is possible, because it's not going to be a good experience.
That's right. It's never fun for anyone, but hey, we all have to do it. I had a high school teacher that said there are two things you have to do in life: pay your taxes and die. So this is one of them. And this year, experts are encouraging filers to stay organized. Keep your eyes on your mailbox to ensure everything is finished in a timely fashion. The IRS will receive millions of individual tax returns this season, and you want to make sure your return maximizes your hard-earned cash.
It's never too soon to plan.
In CPA Kevin Johnson's tax book of tricks, he says start simple by gathering all of the documents you need.
We ask for a prior year tax return because there's some carryover information possibly there.
Know your basic personal information, then gather source documents like W-2s and 1099s. If you itemize deductions, you'll need to know totals for things like medical out-of-pocket, auto registration, and charitable contributions. If you don't know where to start, worksheets can be found online.
Under our website, under resources forms, we've got Schedule A for itemized deductions. We've got Schedule C if you have a business.
As far as changes for this year, Johnson says there aren't too many.
There were some deductions that kind of were repealed that aren't back in 2017.
So mortgage insurance and the tuition and fees deduction are no more, says Johnson. But 2018 is a whole different story.
In the CPA since '05, and this is probably the biggest change that I've seen.
Johnson says the tax rates dropped a couple of points and tax brackets are expanding, taxing more of your income at a lower rate. Deduction if you itemize will also be limited to $10,000 possibly, making those charitable contributions in Arizona even more important.
That charitable contribution is deducted as a charity, which isn't subject to that $10,000 limit.
And finally, Johnson says if you plan to go the CPA route before April, schedule soon before they book up. And we do have some good news this year. If you do have actually a little extra time to file or request an extension, that is great to know, because that deadline from the IRS has been pushed all the way back to April 17th, so a couple of days later for you. In the Live Alert Center, Jen Wall, 12 Today.